welcome back to my channel, and this is Nancy, and thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for love and lots of comments and beautiful life. It really means a lot. And today we'll be seeing flame journey. Where is our divine masculine and how is the divine feminine feeling? Where is our journey? Where are we leading to, and what's ahead? That's really beautiful. We have taken 4 cards for divine masculine. We'll take for divine feminine. I'll take a neutral energy, which is the Knight of Wands. So I see over here, these are the 4 cards for your masculine. This is your energy, divine feminine, and this is a neutral energy where you'll both, what do you all both want? Okay, a neutral energy for both. And what am I seeing over here for the divine masculine? What is he doing? He is understanding things now. He is being guided by the angels. He is being warned. He is been having some kinds of signs. His dreams, his vision, it's opening up. He's understanding the situation. He's understanding your relationship. And yes, he feels it's a big loss. He is feeling this pain and loss. What am I seeing over here? Yes, he is so held up and caught up to release the pain. He is keeping himself busy in the work. And yes, he does want this 4 of Wands with you. He wants to come to you, divine feminine. He wants to make this offer. He knows you are this marriage material. He knows that you are the one who makes his soul happy. Thank you, angels. They are just saying that he knows not it's this bodily pleasure he needs from you, but even it is that he knows that if he is with you, you will be a great match. You will be a person who will understand him, and nobody else understands him the way you understand him. Thank you, angels. What else am I seeing? What am I seeing? Your relationship. What is happening with you, divine feminine? Why are you feeling so stuck? Just because he ghosted you, as I told you some days back, he went away, and you're feeling so stuck because of that? Don't. You know you're masculine. He will go and he will come back. Do you really need to get stuck for that? No, you don't need to, because you are the divine feminine. You are enlightened. You are in this light. You are that support for your masculine to come back to you. Yes, if you have cut cords and you don't want him anymore, that is your call. That is completely your decision, because we all have a free will. It is up to you. But otherwise, what I'm seeing is whoever. The feminine can be, divine feminine can be girl, boy, whoever, okay? It depends on what energy do you hold the most. And the masculine can be girl or a boy. It depends. You'll all know it. And right now what I'm seeing, divine feminine, y'all are very stuck at this situation. You want this fast movement. You want this communication. You want to take an action. But your guy, your masculine, okay, if it's a girl or a boy, she is scared. She feels that this is a lost opportunity. She feels that left out. She feels that I have done so much bad. Why will my feminine want to come to me again? What else do I see? Yes, I even see that you are still standing. No matter how, whatever is happening with you, you are still taking a support, and maybe a support of something, that inner light in you, that inner self in you says that you still have to wait and stand strong, which you are standing. Even in this stuck situation, you are felt that pain, that maybe this time my masculine would have been with me and everything is going so well, but still he ghosted you. So obviously you need to do some inner work inside you. But I'm seeing you over here, you are being strong. You're still waiting. You're still standing. You are standing. You're not fallen off. He is fallen off. He is feeling bad. He is feeling that he lost this opportunity which he had. He is realizing now that why did he do this to you. He knows that he wants to make this move and action, but you want an action. You want to talk. You want to ask him, why did you do these things to me? And it's your right, divine feminine. I know you want to ask, but when he comes to you, make sure that you don't scare him again. You don't ask so many questions that he doesn't find another solution and wants to run back. Okay, that's what I can see over here. And yes, I can see that you are trying to keep yourself so busy. Divine Feminine, you are trying to engage yourself in work, family, people are there around you. Many people are even telling you, oh, that guy is not good, why are you with him, and blah blah blah, and everything. But again, it's your call, it's your free will. You know better what's good for you. If you have cut off cords with your Divine Masculine, it's fine, it's nothing wrong. And if you have not cut off cords and you want to stay with him, you want to stick with him, you want to be with him for a better future ahead, yes, that's also completely right. If you want to take a decision and go with your soulmate, that's completely right. It's all upon you, okay, what you desire. And the neutral energies, both of y'all need this movement. Both of y'all want to get out of this stuck situation. He also wants to get out from where he is, what he is doing. He is completely financially so stuck and held up. When he thinks about you whenever he is free, this is what he sees, that I have done wrong and I can't go back to her, she will refuse me, and all these things in his mind. And what am I seeing over here? You are just thinking. You are just thinking and feeling stuck. Actually, you're not stuck. It's just your thinking. You are not trying to understand. The masculine is in you. You are the masculine and feminine inside in you. You don't need to search him anywhere outside. It's all inside in you. Your person, your other half is in you. Right? It's just that you cannot touch. But tell me one thing, does touch only mean love? No. Right? Touch doesn't mean love. Love is when you love the person unconditionally. And yes, you want to make this move, you want to speak out your truth, you're feeling very caught up in your throat chakra. You feel that why it happened like this, but you understand, Divine Feminine. You don't need to have this blockage. Try to remove all the throat blockage which you're having. If you remove your throat blockage, see how your masculine will be coming to you. See, he's just waiting, he wants to make that move, but yes, you need to be healed as well. Let's see what else Divine Masculine needs to say. What's in his mind? There is so much still to say. So Divine Masculine says that it's not over between you and me, there is so much still to say. Why does it hurt so much without you? He is saying that why does it hurt so much without you, Divine Feminine? You make me feel safe and warm. He says, only you make me safe and warm. No matter if I am with a karmic, no matter if my karmic is my wife, no matter if my karmic is my workplace, no matter my karmic is my friendship, my people who are backstabbing me, no matter what my karmic is, only you are the person who makes me safe. Action speaks louder than words. I am not going to speak anymore, but yes, I am going to come with this. I'm going to come with an offer. I am going to come with a mindset, with my something to offer to you. I will not come empty-handed, but I will come something to offer to you. Okay? When I am settled down, when I have done what I need to, I will come to you. Investment. I am stuck where I am. Don't know how to proceed. See, he is really held up. He's caught up. Love and respect. This is what he really feels from you, Divine Feminine. He feels the genuine love and respect you give him, Divine Feminine. Yes, there must be argument, there must be quarrel, there must be fight, there must be many things happening between you and him. The whole thing is the divine, the universe, the angels, just, helps us to forget all that anger, hatred, everything inside us for each another. It just makes our, thank you angels, they're saying it makes your slate clean. You don't have any grudges against each another. Let's see, Divine Feminine, what do you want to tell to your masculine? What do you want to say to your masculine at this time? So what am I seeing over here? Lots of cards. Divine Feminine, you also want to say a lot. That's the reason I'm seeing you want to speak out. You want to not be in this stuck situation. What am I seeing over here for you? If you are sure about us, say it. Yes, Divine Feminine, that's completely right. You are asking your masculine, enough of this runner chaser. Tell me exactly what's in your mind. Why do you ghost me like this? Why are you running away from me? If something is there, please do tell me. Do you want this connection or not? Yes, you are asking your masculine, do you want this connection or not? Everything you want, I want too. This is what you are telling to your masculine. Everything what you desire, what you want, I want it too. But why are you ghosting me? Why are you running away from me? You are my world. That is so correct. That is so right. And what else? The last one. This is amazing what you're saying. You have power over me that nobody else has. And I can say your divine masculine is not cheating you. If ever you're feeling divine feminine that he's cheating you or something like that, he's not cheating you, okay? This is coming strongly for this masculine. It's a collective reading for divine feminine and divine masculine. Divine feminine, you are saying to your masculine, there was no one who actually shook my soul the way you did to me. Showed me this beautiful being, but all the time you are running and it hurts me. It makes me go down. It makes me feel I am alone, even if I am with you. These are all the questions you are having inside in you, divine feminine, and I do understand that. I know how you would feel, and I know how right it is. Everyone has the right to feel that pain. Everyone has the right to feel what you are going through right now. But since it's a divine journey, you all both need to work, and especially you, divine feminine, because you are the support to your masculine. You need to really do the inner work and healing. And if you're saying you have already done it, do it more. It's no bad in doing some more. Do some more healing, do some more meditation. I will put the meditation link down for you, which has helped me, in the description, yeah. And this is what I can say. This is a very nice energy. Both of y'all know exactly what y'all want, but end of the day, the neutral energy for both of y'all is this. What are y'all saying? That I want to make this movement and come to you, divine feminine, and your masculine is saying the same thing. So it's a very beautiful energy. Have a great day. Thank you. God bless you. And please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.